Do you know the feeling of frustration you get when your strategy gives you a signal to trade? You open a position, but then the price immediately reverses and triggers the stop loss. If this happens to you regularly, you definitely need to watch this video because today I will reveal how I filter out the majority of bad trades using 2 indicators only in a way you haven't seen before. If you're excited, don't forget to leave a like. Now let's dive right in. To get started, we need to set up our indicators on TradingView, the platform I'll be using for this strategy. First, load the trading security you want to work with. I'm using the 3-minute time frame for Bitcoin to showcase today's strategy. However, this strategy can be applied to various assets and time frames with the proper adjustments. This strategy relies on just 2 indicators. To integrate the first indicator into your chart, navigate to the Indicators tab and search for CM Williams Vix Fix finds market bottoms, and add this one published by Chris Moody to your chart. The Williams indicator was originally developed by Larry Williams and is designed to behave like the VIX, but it works on all assets. It highlights market bottoms by coloring volume candles green, making them easy to spot. To also identify market tops, we look for tiny gray volume candles, as they often signal very low volume before a potential reversal. This means we're not just entering buy trades from bottoms, but also sell trades from tops. Let's move to the settings. For this strategy, I'll leave everything at default. To make spotting potential tops easier, I'll add a horizontal line at 1.7 using the TradingView tool. This helps quickly identify those small volume candles. Here's how to use it. If a green candle appears, it signals a market bottom, so we're going to look to enter a buy trade. If a very small gray candle is seen, it may signal a top forming, so we're going to look to enter a sell trade. Now that we've explored how this indicator works, it's important to note that using it alone may not be consistently profitable, as a lot of false signals will still occur. That's why we'll use it as a second confirmation tool in this strategy. So let's add the main indicator to improve accuracy. Go to Indicators and search for Signals and Overlays by LuxAlgo. This is a premium indicator, and you can test it for 30 days risk-free using my special link. Now at this point, I know you may be thinking, but what exactly is the Signals and Overlays indicator? This toolkit from LuxAlgo is the most popular for a reason. It's packed with features designed for every trading style. It starts with a wide variety of presets and filters, tailored for trend traders, scalpers, swing traders, or even those who prefer trading against the trend. These presets ensure that no matter your approach, you'll find a setup that fits your style. It also includes machine learning signals, buy and sell signals, and candle coloring that adapts based on market conditions. The candle coloring uses green, red, and purple to indicate strong bullish, strong bearish, and retracement signals, making it easy to spot opportunities and understand market sentiment at a glance. Next are the indicator overlays like the Smart Trail, Neo Cloud, and Reversal Zones, which provide dynamic support and resistance levels. The Smart Trail adapts to market volatility, acting as both a trailing stop and an additional confluence for entries and exits. The Neo Cloud, similar to the Ichimoku Cloud, highlights trend strength and direction, while the reversal zones help traders pinpoint potential tops and bottoms for precise trade execution. For beginner traders, the toolkit also comes with automatic take profit and stop loss levels. These levels, displayed in real time, adjust based on conditions like buy and sell signals, indicator overlays, or even custom criteria you set in the alert creator. This feature not only simplifies trade management, but also helps new traders develop a disciplined approach. In the advanced settings, there's an autopilot sensitivity option, which adjusts the candle coloring and buy-sell signals depending on whether you prefer more or fewer trading opportunities to appear on your chart. Short-term settings highlight faster signals for scalpers, while long-term options provide smoother trends for swing traders. This level of customization ensures the indicator aligns perfectly with your goals. Finally, the toolkit includes a dashboard for quick trend and volatility insights, and a custom alert creator with extensive options. These features allow you to automate parts of your trading process, ensuring you don't need to monitor the charts constantly, or even integrate the toolkit into bot trading strategies. Alright, let's adjust our indicator settings. First, set the presets and filters to none. Then switch the signal mode to confirmation and exits. For candle coloring, choose confirmation simple. Don't forget to enable both the Smart Trail and Reversal Zones overlays. Lastly, activate the autopilot sensitivity by selecting one of the frequency options. This feature dynamically adjusts the signal's frequency, so be sure to experiment with each option on your asset and time frame to find the best fit. Personally, I prefer using the mid-term sensitivity for this strategy. Now, on to the fun stuff. Let me show you the exact trading rules, and let's first start with the rules to enter a buy trade. First, we're looking for a buy signal indicated by this green up arrow. Second, we wait for the price to enter the red reversal band and then exit the bands again. Next, we want to see the price action retesting the smart trail, represented by this blue line with a cloudy area and bouncing off of it. I know it may sound a bit complicated at first, but I promise, once you grasp it, it's super easy. And for the last condition, we want to see a green candle within the CM Williams indicator. Now, if these conditions are met, we can enter a buy trade. For the stop loss, you want to use the smart trail, and for profit taking, you want to target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Here's another buy trade, and we follow the same criteria. A buy signal, price entering and exiting the red reversal band, and the price action bouncing off the smart trail. And finally, a green candle within the CM Williams indicator. Remember, we use the smart trail for stop loss placement and target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio for taking profit. Now, let me show you the rules for entering a sell trade. First, we're looking for a sell signal indicated by this red down arrow. Second, we wait for the price to enter the green reversal band and then exit the bands again. Next, we want to see the price action retesting the smart trail, represented by this red line with a cloudy area and getting rejected off of it. And finally, check for a gray candle located below the horizontal line. Now, if these conditions are met, we can enter a sell trade. To position our stop loss, we are going to use the smart trail, and we want to book profit as soon as the price hits a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Now let me show you another sell trade example, and we are going to follow the same criteria. A sell signal, the price action entering and exiting the green reversal band, then the price action getting rejected off the smart trail, and finally, a gray candle below the horizontal line. Remember, we use the smart trail for the stop loss placement and exit the trade when the price hits a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, be sure to give the LuxAlgo Premium Indicator a try, and don't forget to click my link in the description to get up to a 50% off sale. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.